Let's talk about Superwash Eco-Friendly Laundry Ball for 1600 washings set of 2. Material pure natural mineral, TPE, allergen-free, for 1600 washings size 10.5 10 cm 2 PCs. Designated use compatible with any washing machine, wash all kinds of clothes, cheaper than detergents. Designated use for washing mechine, wash all kinds of clothes, leave clothes with a clean scent. You can also use fabric softener or dryer sheets. For better efficiency, place washing ball in the sun for a few hours every month to regenerate ceramic mioro beads. I cleaned my machine manually and with a machine cleaning tablet before first use of this eco ball. I used the ball and everything was fine, clean odorless clothes. Very happy. The next day, I did another wash and nothing had cleaned. I could smell perfume still on one top and unfortunately and the whole wash load smelled strongly of BO, because of one sweaty t-shirt. Even the washing machine had a bad smell, which it had not before the second wash. I ended up cleaning the machine on 90-degree wash again, smelly clothes hung on the washing line, on a rare sunny day and sprayed them with Dettol to get the smell out of all the clothes. Not good for saving the planet or your pocket. So much easier than using soap powder. Do not know why I have not used one before. Would recommend anybody to give it a try. I bought these rather than use powder as there are bad reports on chemicals, and would buy again but they last forever.